What's up YouTube and welcome to the .NET C Sharp series. So this video is about functions and methods. So basically these are the same thing, but what are they called depend on the context. So let us first see what are functions. Void greetings. Remember that in C Sharp functions are always defined with a capital alphabet. So we can say hello, how are you? And the first advantage of the function is that you don't need to define a line of code multiple times. For example, I can use this function multiple times and I don't have to write all of the code again. So there could be two console.write line. If I wrote it 6 times, then it would look terrible. But I could use functions to define what I mean by greetings and just use it in one line. So I could do that. So I have called my functions 3 times. We can define a bunch of code which is part of a process inside a function, then call that function anywhere, any number of times. It makes our logic understandable and our code clean. It also saves us from writing bad code when our code base is so much bigger. We need code that is understandable and that is readable. So creating functions does that. So a function could be in normal programming languages, these set of instructions are called a function. And if this is defined within a class, we will understand what is a class later. Let's just use the class for our understanding. So if I define a function inside a class, then we call this function a method. But in C sharp, these instructions are always called a method. So after this video, we will always use the word methods. So a method could be customized with parameters. So a parameter is like this string, name, and we can say that how are you, then the name. Then I can say Hassan, Raza, amazing code verse. So let's comment these out and you would see that it's saying hello, how are you, Hassan. If I comment these two and uncomment this, then you would see a different result. So this is what a function could do, and we can have multiple parameters as well. So we can have age as well. And we can say that if the age is greater than 18, then we will write console dot write line with a sir or madam. Else we will just say the name. So now let's define 56. So a sir and madam, and now it's not showing that part. These are called parameters, and the values that we are giving here are called arguments. So we can customize our methods by giving different arguments. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.